Hey guys, Collecting Dev here. My wife and I went to visit our in-laws, and they live in Tennessee. So I wanted to pick up a box and just do something while I was down there. So the hobby store had quite a bit of stuff, but it's a bit expensive. So I was able to grab this update series of 2019, and got it for a good price. It's like $124. It's like $129 online, so it's not too bad. But some of their prices, like they had a pack of select basketball 1920, they wanted $89 a pack, and so it's pretty high. So wanted to do something while I was here. So yeah, started with just wanted to do something kind of cheap, and I didn't want to spend six. They had retail Prism 1920 basketball, and I think $6.75 a box is what they wanted for it, which is just crazy. There's also a sports card show here tomorrow. I'm going to try to go to. Hopefully, I can make a video on that. But here's the one exclusive pack. Okay, let's get into it. See what we can get here. Anything good? I'm not going to be too picky at this point. All right. I'm just going to highlight anybody good. Smeltzer, Ramirez, All-Star Game, Charlie Blackman. I don't know if that's some sort of short print or not. Corbin Martin, Hernandez. Man, these cards are every which way. I'm trying to get it to stay focused too. Matt Festa, Dylan Moore, Austin Riley. That's probably a decent one. Set that off to the side. Yeah, if I miss any short prints, I'm not really the best at top short prints, so please let me know, because these are just gonna mostly go in some common box that I have, besides any of the hits or the rookies. Justice Sheffield, he's actually from close to where I'm from. Fuentes, Evaldi, Michael Chavis, probably a decent one too. Kershaw All-Star Game, Walker Buehler All-Star Game, Kyle Bird, Jock Peterson, David Robertson, Joey Gallo, Jan Gomes, Rolls Chapman, Estrada, another All-Star Game. I know some of these are, I think some of these are short printed, I'm not sure. Probably gonna be a long video. There's a lot of packs, a lot of boxes, or a lot of cards in here. All right. Always upside down. Chris Paddock. It's probably a decent one. Chris Bryant All-Star Game. Kevin Pillar. Santana Diaz. Get some decent rookie. I mean, it's paper, but whatever. Pannone. Shed Long. Lindor. Nick Senzel. It's decent. Yeah. Forgot how big this set is. There's so many cards in here. Sky Bolt, that's a cool name. Thurman Munson insert. It's Ken Griffey. That might be some sort of short print. I'm not sure. I'll look that up. Sanchez, Sonny Gray. He's also from where I'm from, close to it. And I wish some of these guys that ripped boxes they're a lot faster than me. There's so much to open here. Oh, there we go. Vlad. I was hoping for Vlad. Actually don't have any. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave that up. I know it's not like a super high card, but it's something I would probably consider to send off and be graded. I like getting some of these prospects graded. You never know. Cool. That was something I was wanting. Glacis. Unhealthy. It's a black. Griffin can. I don't know. Oh yeah, it is numbered to 67. Excuse me, 67. That's probably pretty good too. This is a good pack. Mike Moustakas. And a Trout also in there. Holy shit, that was a good pack. Let me at least put this black one in. Trout's just an All-Star Game base, but this one's probably pretty good. I don't know what this is called. It just looks like a black something. Man, I don't think we're even halfway through. Alright. Trying to make sure I'm always in focus here. It jumps in and out a lot. This Monty Grandal. DJ LeMahieu. Homer Bailey. It's the same guy I just got. It's another. It's one of the like throwback inserts. 35th anniversary. Arnado. James McCann. Chris Paddock. It's a debut. Luke Weaver. Will Smith. Eloy, rookie debut. I think he's a bit undervalued right now. Chicago, the White Sox have a really good young team coming out. Oh, there's the hit. It snuck up on me. Shane Bieber, All-Star Game. Definitely nothing too crazy. This is like a dollar card. Workout jersey during the All-Star Game. Cool. Another Michael Chavis debut. It's also hot here. We live in Chicago, and it doesn't get. It maybe touches 90 once or twice a year. I think it's like 93 here right now. To go outside because there's so much going on inside. Lane Thomas. It's a gold in here. I think they're called golds. I don't know what they're called. Michael Brantley gold. Stamped to 2019. Jay Pollock. Contreras, Springer. Okay. So, I mean, pretty good box. I'm glad I got a Vlad. That black Griffin Channing. I think it's probably a decent one as well. That's a cool Hunter Pence. I wonder if that's some sort of variation. Look it up later. Oh, it's a throwback Votto. That's cool. Reprint iconic card. Doubt that's anything, but check it out. Omar Flores. Bregman. And Giolito. Adrian Sampson. Gavin Biggio. I wonder if he is related to Craig Biggio. Probably his son. I'm just an idiot. Don't know. Oh, yeah. Yastrzemski. I played at Vanderbilt, which is who I follow. Oh, so did Walker Buehler. That's cool. I just keep those just for personal collection. Mookie Betts almost played at Vanderbilt. Went to Tennessee. Jerks and Profar. I remember when he was a huge prospect. Cole Tucker. Southside Warriors. That's cool. Shane Bieber. Oh, there's a gold. Carlos Santana home run derby. It's probably 2019, yeah. Amir Everett, Austin Meadows All-Star Game, and Jerkson Profar. Alright, I think we're a little bit over halfway through now. There's so many cards in here. Something fun to open if you don't spend a ton of money. Tyler Austin, another Biggio, Kimball. Some chrome looking card coming up, Carlos Santana. Oh yeah, that's nice. Josh Naylor, looks like a chrome. Huh, it's not numbered at all. I don't know what variation it is. That's cool. Carter Kai Boone, rookie debut. I know the rookie debuts are not as good as just the regular rookies, which I don't understand why, but oh, and speaking of, there's his regular rookie, which is that's a pretty good one. I think he's gonna be good. Alright, see if we can get this under 20 minutes. Michael Pineda, rookie debut. Mike Soroka. Another Griffin Canning. I always want to say Channing Tatum for some reason. Clemens, here's another Chromie card. Mike Schwarman. I have no idea. Maybe. Oh, that's a Vlad rookie debut. So 2 Vlads. It's nice. JD Hammer. It's a cool name for a pitcher. He looks like a JD Hammer. And JD Martinez. Yeah, pretty happy. I just like having a bunch of prospects and a bunch of rookies and stuff. Something that I can afford. Oh, there's a Brian Reynolds. Played at Vanderbilt also. I think he's really good. Just too bad he's on the Pirates. There's a Vlad insert, a family business. Glaber All-Star Game. I have this actually in a short printed version. I think Glaber's a bit undervalued as well. I've been buying a lot of his stuff up. Him and Andujar's. I like both of them. Oh. Okay, so Matt Strom. Austin Riley rookie debut. I think he's good as well. I think everybody's good. Another chrome in here. Miller. That's cool. Sabathia, 3,000 Ks. Oh, and a Pete Alonso rookie. Man, this thing is just filled with some good rookies. I mean, I'm sure they're only a couple dollar cards, but I like them. Yellow All-Star Game. Brayu. Matt Chapman. Alright, we're getting through this. I think we have about 8 packs left. Martin Perez. Another Pete Alonso rookie debut. Excuse me. Yasmani Grandal insert. Kuna. Another Yasmani Grandal. Alright, let's see here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs left and we're done. It's kind of cool. My in-laws live right beside a baseball field. Can't really tell from the camera, but there's a baseball field right there. Okay. Mark Reynolds, let's make sure we're back in focus, and we are. Taylor Clark. Alcantara. Jacob DeGrom. Oh, there's a insert. Heritage. Giancarlo Cabrera. Yeah. That's cool. And Detroit overpaid the hell out of him, huh? Cano, Merrifield. Oh, there's a Tatis. It's a debut. And a different Vlad. Home run derby Vlad. And they have so many different variations in here. Brendan Rodgers. Alright, 15 minutes late. We're going to get under 20. Alright, Peter Lambert. Stockus. Oh, Masahiro Tanaka. That's a cool All-Star Game one. Oh, Mike Ford Gold. It's probably 2019. Yeah, the 2019. It's kind of cool. Don't know much about him. David Dahl. Kuhn All-Star. Bregman. Oh, and a Keston rookie debut. Got like the 3 big ones. Keston, Tatis, and Vlad. I wish it wasn't a rookie debut, but it's fine. Sensel, another Sensel. Kinsner. Insert of Brendan Rodgers. Russell Martin. Josh Bell. 4 to go. Goldschmidt. Whoa. Let's see. McNeil All-Star Game. Or Rivera. Austin Allen. Not much in that bad boy. Brian Dozier. Oh, there's a regular Keston. Nice. I think I just need a regular Tatis rookie, and then that'll be the trifecta. Mitch Keller. That's pretty good. Lopez. Shed Long. All right. Dallas Keuchel, Jason Martin, Parallel Boys, Will Smith, blue, Mariano Rivera. I guess that's not numbered, just the regular blue. True Pomeranz. All right, last pack, and then we have the hobby exclusive black pack that they put in there. All right, Garcia, Estella. We met him, my wife and I met his girlfriend one time at the beach in Chicago before he got traded. There's a Griffey insert. Bellinger All-Star Game. There's a Pete Alonso All-Star Game. All right. Last one. It's a hobby black pack. Giancarlo Stanton. Oh, Pete Alonso. That one's a nice one. 35th anniversary. JD Martinez. Oh, and a Paddock rookie auto. That's nice. Holy moly. Did not expect to get that. Out of 99. If you can focus on 99. Something like that. Yeah, that's nice. Man, I did not think I'd get that. Cool. This is a great box. We got all 3 rookies. The black Griffin Canning. The Chris Paddock auto just then. Yeah, it's great. I think for the money, that was a great buy. All right, peace.